2020 and I'm 90% sure I just sneezed this eyelash off. So I think we have a wiggler over here. Try and not let it distract you, or at least I hope it is not distracting you. Also, I didn't yet calculate the results of whether Dummy should stay or go, but either way, he has a new costume change today, and I'm sure no one at all at home finds this distracting. So let's go ahead and jump into today's very exciting subject matter. I feel like I, every single year, look forward to doing this video in the month of January. It is actually one of my favorite things about the month of January. I'm not gonna lie, January is like not my favorite month. Very bleak and dreary outside. I feel like I say this every single year. Every single year I'm constantly reminded how much I hate January. And yet it doesn't stop coming. Who can I complain to about this? Sippy sippy. All right, the thing that I look the most forward to in the month of January is the Beautylish Lucky Bags. I think I've been doing this maybe 4 or 5 years now, maybe even more, who knows. There is a special Japanese word for this, and I'm probably gonna insert a pronunciation here because I never remember exactly how to say it. Fukubaru, Fukuburu, something like that. And so every single year, I am always trying to scramble and get one of these Beautylish Lucky Bags. They, without a doubt, sell out every single year. And I'm actually quite shocked because, you guys, this is only the medium-sized box. There is like a deluxe or one that is larger than this that has more products in it, but for the past couple of years I have not been able to get my hands on that one. That sells out usually between like 10 to 15 minutes flat of this thing launching. I did get the medium-sized box, and there was like, you could make a complexion selection with this one, so we might get a foundation. I selected fair to medium. I think it was fair to medium and then medium to deep, so I got the fairest that was available. So here is the little tag, and every single year they do a new pattern, a new design for the Lucky Bags. They are always so cute. It says, Lucky Bags are a Japanese New Year custom that inspired us to create our own. The crane on this year's Lucky Bag symbolizes longevity and good luck. We hope that the surprises inside make your 2020 a little more lucky. So I will say it, I feel like I say this every single year, with the special wrapping paper and the designs that they do, I do wish you actually got like a little makeup bag in this like same print, if that makes any sense. Because they do call it Lucky Bag, but it is a lucky box. I don't know. All right, let's just grab something. Ooh, it feels like a box within a box. What is this? Oh my God, it's like heavy. I'm trying to like not look down and ruin the surprises for me, but this is like a large box within a box, very heavy. Did I just say the same thing twice? I am historically world renowned for doing that. Oh my God. Ooh, this is so exciting. So this is the Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. I used to get this stuff all the time, and I'm honestly so happy to have it back in my life, because now that I'm looking at it again, I feel like I'm missing it. And I don't think we've ever gotten like a super nice gift set as part of this box. So this has a value of $58. It retails for $40. Oh, it's so cute. Look at the little set in here. Why am I the way that I am? So I feel like this is their signature product, is the Sol de Janeiro Bum Bum Cream. So I don't know why I just called this Bum Bum Cream. That's not the brand. Sol de Janeiro is the brand. Let me open this up because it's been so long since I've had it. I genuinely miss the scent. So this is a wonderful moisturizing cream. Let me go ahead and, ooh, oh my gosh. Do you guys have certain smells in your life that just really bring back memories, or like the scents of certain seasons? This just has such a like vivacious summery scent to it. So that is this product. So the next product is Brazilian Foreplay Moisturizing Shower and Cream Gel. So this is wonderful for the bath and shower, of course. And then this one I remember using quite frequently as well. This is called Copacabana Cream, and this one is supposed to be the more hydrating version. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this one has a little safety seal. I don't know what is going on there. It's like a seal within a seal. Oh my gosh. So this one has more of a gel consistency than the original product. And then lastly, and I am probably most excited about this last product because I've never tried it before, so I think it must be relatively new. It's called Brazilian Kiss Lip Butter. And I just love like thicker lip products like this. I don't know why. So it is a nice chunky lip balm. So that was pretty impressive to get right off the bat since it's like a whole kit. The thing that I just saw on here that I cannot believe is in here is the Jeffree Star Cosmetics 5-year anniversary of velour liquid lipsticks, which, oh my god, I did get these around Christmas time, and these are some of my favorite colors to use, not only as lipsticks but eyeliners as well, because they are vegan, so that you can use them. God, I'm gonna drop everything. You know, when you drop a bunch of stuff, it's like an old wives' tale. Supposedly it means someone wants to see you. Who out there wants to see me? So yeah, I love not only using these as velour liquid lipsticks, but also as eyeliners as well, particularly the red color, the green color, and the white color. So Drug Lord Ho 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 is the red one, and Mistletoe is the green one. But that is amazing. I forgot what this retailed for, but that is just impressive to get like a whole 5-piece lip set. Once again, it's like a whole gift set within a box. Oh my gosh. Ooh. What is this? What is this? Miss Fame Beauty. I've never tried this. So this is called Under My Skin. And I'm not gonna lie, when I first saw this, I was like, oh my god, is this like Pat McGrath? Because it looks like the packaging, I don't know, something about the color scheme maybe, or like this on the back. Doesn't that look like very Pat McGrathy? Let's take a look at this. Oh my gosh. I am so excited for these shades. Look at this gorgeous orange and blue and a purple one as well. I don't feel like my hands are the cleanest right now, so I kind of am almost like tempted to not swatch these. So I'm sure that there's like swatches online. I will go ahead and like pop some swatches in here because I'm like, oh my god, I can't wait to actually use this because it's a brand that I have never tried before. Okay, up next. Ooh, Good Molecules. So this is a silicone-free priming moisturizer. I almost want to say that this is an in-house brand for Beautylish. I think that this is one of their brands. Correct me if I'm wrong. Let me go ahead and open this up. Ooh, I don't think I've ever had this. Wow, that looks like a very nice large size product. Let me go ahead and do a little sample. You know what, I'm gonna put it up here because I just put the lotion on. Oh, so it's actually like a cream color. Wow. That feels very moisturizing. And I feel like a little bit goes a long way. Like I have just silicone-free primed my entire arm. Up next, we have a Wayne Goss brush. This is unfreaking believably soft. I wish you guys could touch this right now because oh my god. Yeah, so I have quite a few Wayne Goss brushes. I feel like every other one that I have has white or cream colored fibers, so I kind of wonder if this is a different material, but this is so incredibly soft. Now I think normally they do specify what type of brush it is, but I would use this for like highlighter, so I think that's what I'm gonna do. But I have never had a Wayne Goss brush that I did not like. I love them all. I feel like they are just a fantastic brand of brushes. And you guys, I cannot believe one last thing in here already. I feel like this went by so fast today. How many products did we get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I think 6, but 2 out of the 6 were sets. So I feel like there is in fact more products in here, but last product is from one of my favorite liquid lipstick brands of all time, Sugarpill. So this is in the shade Strange Love. Let's go ahead and open this up and see what it's gonna look like. So it says it is a metallic sparkle, and I love the Depeche Mode reference there. Ooh, this looks like it's gonna be a sparkly cranberry shade. Ooh, okay. What I think I'm gonna do is sanitize my hands so that I can do some swatches, because I feel like people are gonna be angry if I don't do some swatches. So I'm gonna wash my hands, sanitize, and then swatch. Ah! Oh my gosh, look at this beautiful Sugarpill lipstick. If you guys have never tried their matte metallics, I urge you, try them. They are amazing. I have never had a Sugarpill lip product that I have not loved. Actually, I can't think of any Sugarpill product I've ever had that I didn't love. Okay, let's do some swatcheroos. Oh my God. I feel like there's so many gorgeous colors in here. Okay, this one is called Top Nation. Ooh. Okay, my skin is like crusty and dry, so maybe I'm not like the best person to be swatching this. So I did I can't even say this. Mauve Mentum. That is the top purple shade. They're all like very sparkly and I love that. And then the bottom one is Top Nation. I just love that there's like a purple and a green in here. Okay, this one is called Wanderlust. Ta-da! That one is like gorgeous. I really like that one a lot. Let is, oh my God. I should warn you guys, I've been up since like 5:30 this morning. Kat and I, we actually went to a really fun glow recipe event this morning. It was like a brunch. And so we had to get up super early to like get ready. And then we drove all the way out there. It was like 40 minutes away, but it was so worth it. So much fun. I forgot what this shade is called, but it's like one of those pearly, like gold pearl color, if that makes any sense. Like I said, my brain not working anymore today. Let me do some tabulations really quick and see if I can find out how much I paid for this and then how much the retail value of everything is, and we'll see just how good of a deal I got. Oh my gosh, okay. The results are in and they were shocking. So it appears that I actually paid less than $100. It was actually $92. So really close to 100, but not quite there. The only thing I will say is I guess every single medium box, even though they asked for your complexion, obviously mine did not come with a foundation or a concealer, so that was kind of curious. I guess they were just asking that in case they ended up putting an item like that in your box, but just something that came up in my mind. So once again, the Brazilian Bum Bum set was $40. The Wayne Goss brush, I think that this is something called the Airbrush, so this one was $35. The Jeffree lip bundle is $75. The primer from Good Molecules is $14. The Miss Fame palette was $49. And then the Sugarpill lipstick is $18. So that comes out to be a grand total of $231. So I think that that should be doubling. Like I said, my brain is asleep and I am not good at math. Yeah, because double 92 is 184, so the calculator says. So you're actually getting more than double of your value. The things that I am most excited about are the Sugarpill, the Jeffree Star, and the Bum Bum, and the brush. I'm excited about it all. I feel like I'm excited about it all in one way or another, but I feel like I will get a ton of use out of the brushes. Wayne Goss brushes, I feel like the quality, so good. They last through a million different shampoos, especially if you're somebody like me and you like aggressively wash your brushes. So I feel like this year, as always, I am super, super impressed with the Lucky Bag. I know that this is something I always say, but I definitely wish that they did these more than once a year, because I feel like Beautylish, maybe that's why they only do it once a year, I feel like they are always so generous with these Lucky Bags. I have never gotten one that I've been disappointed in. Let me know what you guys' thoughts and opinions are. Did you snag one this year? Have you seen other people unboxing these? I myself am gonna see if I can find somebody unboxing a deluxe one, because if the medium ones were this good, how amazing are the super, super big boxes. I can only imagine. Anyway, thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today and for watching. If you're not already and you'd like to be, hit the button down below, subscribe, become a member of the Swamp family, and give an alligator its wings. Also, you guys, don't forget to text me at this number down below. I look forward to reading some text messages from you guys later. Anyway, I love y'all so much, and I will see y'all again very, very soon. Bye!